Surah Fussilat, ayat number 37. The main theme of this passage is Tawheed, or oneness of Allah, which is being taught by explaining His powers. Throughout history, many people have begun worship the sun and moon due to their beauty or power. The Quran says that these are just signs of Allah, who is the creator of all. Similar themes are found in many places in the Quran, such as in Surah Rahman, where Allah states that He has absolute power over all heavenly bodies. The teachings of this passage is presented through a distinctive manner of giving examples of His signs. Mankind should recognize the designer of all these and submit to His will. This is distinctive from other verses such as Surah Ikhlas, where Allah states the theme of Tawheed but without explaining or using any example.